Most people look at the 2024 Dacia Duster and see a bargain, a rugged affordable SUV that finally looks as good as it drives, but when a mechanic looks at the new Duster, they don't see the price tag. They see the engineering shortcuts, the specialized fluids, and the ticking time bombs hidden under that stylish Y-shaped signature lighting. Welcome back to Supercar. Today we aren't just reading the brochure, we are tearing it up. We're diving into the workshop manuals and technical bulletins to expose the 5 secrets mechanics usually keep to themselves about the all-new Dacia Duster. If you want to know what this car will actually cost you to own once the warranty expires, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get under the hood. Before you sign the finance paperwork on that shiny new hybrid 140, you need to know why the transmission might make you think your brand new car is already broken, and why Dacia says it's normal. 1. The dog-box transmission reality. The first secret lies inside the flagship hybrid 140 model. On the spec sheet, it's listed as a multi-mode automatic, which sounds sophisticated, but mechanics know it as a dog-box transmission. This is technology derived from Formula 1, which sounds cool until you have to live with it in stop-and-go traffic. Unlike a standard automatic that uses friction clutches or a torque converter to smooth out gear changes, this gearbox uses dog clutches, basically jagged teeth that slam together to lock gears. Here is the secret mechanics know: this transmission has no physical clutch to smooth out the shifts. Instead, it relies entirely on a small electric motor to spin the gears to the exact right speed before they mesh. When it works, it's brilliant. But if that electric motor is even a fraction of a second off, usually during cold starts or sudden acceleration, you will feel a distinct clunk or a hesitation that feels like a flat spot in power. Mechanics see owners coming in constantly complaining that their transmission is jerking or broken. The secret: it's not broken. That's just the engineering trade-off Dacia made to get that fuel efficiency rating. It's a quirk you have to live with, and no software update can fully erase physics. You might think the new Starkle plastic bodywork is just a cool, rugged design choice, but body shop experts know it's actually a double-edged sword that could make a parking lot scratch a permanent scar. Dacia is incredibly proud of their new Starkle material. It's that speckled black plastic cladding you see around the wheel arches and bumpers. They market it as eco-friendly, containing up to 20% recycled polypropylene and scratch-resistant. But ask a bodywork specialist, and they'll tell you the other side of the story. The secret is that Starkle is unpainted and textured. On a normal car, if you scratch the plastic bumper, a shop can sand it down, prime it, and paint it to look brand new. With Starkle, you can't do that, because the speckled look is part of the plastic itself and the texture is molded in. You cannot sand out a deep gouge without ruining the finish. You can't fill it and paint over it because it's not supposed to be painted. If you get a deep scratch on these panels, your only option is full replacement of the part. It's designed to look rugged, but ironically, it's much harder to restore if you actually treat it ruggedly. The 1.2-liter engine, yeah, it really has a dark history that keeps mechanics awake at night. And even though Dacia claims the 2024 version is all new, honestly, the maintenance margin for error has basically vanished. If you mention 1.2 TCE to any Renault or Dacia mechanic, just watch them flinch. The previous generation of this engine was notorious for timing chain failures and excessive oil consumption that, well, destroyed thousands of engines. Now, the 2024 Duster uses a new 1.2-liter 3-cylinder mild hybrid engine, and while the architecture is different, the mechanic's secret is that this engine is now incredibly sensitive to oil maintenance. This is not the Dacia of 10 years ago where, you could skip an oil change by 5,000 miles and be totally fine. This new engine uses a hydraulically tensioned timing chain that demands specific RN17 specification oil. If you use cheap generic oil or wait too long between services, the oil degrades, the tensioner slackens, and, well, you are looking at a catastrophic failure. Mechanics know that the budget nature of the Duster attracts buyers who want to save money on maintenance. But this specific engine tolerates zero neglect. The secret is that the budget car actually requires premium maintenance discipline to survive past 60,000 miles. There is a massive mechanical difference between the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models that, honestly, salespeople usually gloss over, but it dramatically changes your long-term repair bills. Most buyers think the difference between the 4x2 and 4x4 Duster is just a drive shaft sending power to the rear wheels. But mechanics know the difference is actually an entirely different suspension system. The standard front-wheel drive Duster uses a torsion beam rear axle. It's simple, nearly indestructible, and cheap to fix because, honestly, it's basically just one giant piece of metal. However, if you buy the 4x4 version on the new CMF-B platform, you are getting a complex multi-link rear suspension. While this provides a better ride and off-road grip, it introduces multiple control arms, bushings, and alignment points that simply don't exist on the cheaper model. Mechanics know that at the 5-year mark, the 4x4 Duster will require suspension overhauls, bushings wearing out, alignment issues, and more labor hours that the two-wheel drive model will never need. The secret is that the 4x4 isn't just more expensive to buy, it's mechanically a different, higher maintenance car from the rear axle back. Finally, the new electronic architecture has introduced a digital wall that locks you out of your own car, forcing you back to the dealership for even the simplest fixes. The 2024 Duster is the most digital Dacia ever, compliant with the latest EU safety regulations. But for your local independent mechanic, this is a nightmare. This car features a new security gateway in its OBD, or onboard diagnostics port. In the past, if a sensor threw a code or you wanted to reset your service light after doing your own oil change, you could use a simple $20 scanner. The secret with the 2024 model is that this gateway blocks most aftermarket scanners from clearing codes or resetting systems. It's a firewall for your car. Mechanics are finding that simple tasks, like registering a new battery or resetting the electric parking brake for service, now require official, expensive dealer-licensed software. Dacia has effectively killed the DIY spirit of the car. The secret is that while the parts might still be cheap, the access to fix them is being gated behind a dealer paywall, turning a $50 local repair into a $150 dealership visit. The 2024 Dacia Duster is still a fantastic value proposition, but as we've seen, simple doesn't always mean simple to maintain. Whether it's the quirks of the dog box transmission, the unrepairable Starkle bodywork, or the digital locks on the ECU, going in with your eyes open is the only way to keep this budget SUV from becoming a money pit. If you enjoyed these insider secrets, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Supercar for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.
With